Hi and welcome to Alva Tech Torqs, a series where we answer technical questions about motors and motion in under 1 minute. Today's question is how to achieve a high-performing electric motor. In most applications, the strongest factor for increasing performance in an electric motor is simple: make it bigger. As torque scales with radius squared, even a small bump in diameter gives a big jump in torque and a large improvement in efficiency. A larger diameter also means more surface area to shed heat. But in most applications, you don't have the luxury of changing the motor size, as the package is already fixed. Motor optimization is about tuning every parameter to squeeze out the utmost performance per mass or per volume. Cooling is just as important. Getting heat away from the rotor and the stator is a real challenge. Better airflow, stronger thermal paths, or even adding liquid cooling lets you safely run more current. And finally, advanced power electronics tie it all together. Smooth commutation and optimized controllers cut losses and extend the speed range. So if you can't go bigger, improved cooling and well-tuned power electronics are tools to make an electric motor perform well. Thanks for watching this episode of Alva Tech Torqs. If you have a question, drop it in the comments and we might feature it next time.